Look at this little creek. This is feeding that big river we saw. And down it goes. Look at this creek. Woo! It is full of rainwater. And blue skies, but more rain for the coming week.